Hello, Manong George here. Welcome to our channel. And today we have a very special guest.
Ang ginagawa ko ngayon sa trabaho ko is parang data analyst, data scientist, and then we create a project out of those data na nakukuha namin.
Central London OSCE or London Hospital OSCE. You decide. Our Central London purpose-built NMC OSCE course and practice rooms include all of the equipment you need to practice for your NMC OSCE exam. You get the same expert team by your side, the same expertly prepared materials, and now a dedicated space built just for our international and return to practice nurses. Learn more at www.oscenurses.com.
My name is Conrad Pinto. I work in a manufacturing company as a customer service doing project management. I arrived in the UK February 22, 2023. So magwa 1 year pa lang kami this coming February. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon sa trabaho ko is parang data analyst, data scientist, and then we create a project out of those data na nakukuha namin. So, basic customer mastery data, wherein we gather the information in our database, let's say SAP, data tools, and from there, we either create a quality project, quality analysis, data analysis, and implement it. Try ako mag-check sa other sites. UK, US, Thailand, and I got interviewed. Tapos na-hire ako. And here I am, in the UK, magwa 1 year na. Yung sweldo, hindi siya yung expected na sweldo. Kasi when I was in the Philippines, nagko-compute ako kung magkano ba ang ang kikitain pag pumunta kami dito in comparison sa kinikita namin sa Philippines. So, nung pumunta kami, hindi ko na-expect na like na 40% of your salary mapupunta sa rent, plus bills, taxes, council tax, utilities, and all that. So, I would say na hindi siya yung expected, pero livable naman yung salary na nakukuha. We can still save na makukuha, pero hindi siya mamimit yung expectation mo. Siguro ang bentahe lang talaga ni UK is libre yung education at maganda yung work environment. UK. Tapos, yun, nung lumipat kami dito, naging at peace naman kami kasi even though na wala kaming kakilala at all, as in, walang pinsan, walang kamag-anak, walang friends. Just the three of us with our luggage. And, yun, naging maganda naman yung paglipat namin dito. So far. Ang may advice ko lang siguro is they just have to do the first move. And they may have to make sure that they are going to sell themselves well. Because if you know how to sell yourself, malayo ang mararating mo. If you know how to sell yourself, you will get what you want. If you know how to sell yourself, you will reach your goal. Kasi as a matter of fact, I applied to like 99, more than actually, more than 99 positions bago ako nakuha yung job na to. And yung manager ko actually, wala siyang idea kung sino ako. So it's just that the resume and the interview that got me hired. So, binenta ko lang yung sarili ko, nilay down ko lang kung anong kaya kong gawin, sinabi ko lang kung ano yung mga kaya kong i-offer, and that's it. So, similar to to those dependents that wanted to apply to a non-nursing or to an IT company, you just have to tell them what you can do. Kasi when it comes to Filipinos, alam natin kung anong kaya nating gawin, kung anong capacity natin, at marami tayong kayang i-offer. We are very trustworthy, we are hardworking, and we do our job very, very well. Kaya, marami tayong mararating, marami tayong makukuha as long as we know how to sell ourselves well.
Hello, titos and titas of UK. Nagpapadala ka ba sa Pilipinas pero nagbabayad ka pa ng fees at nagpupunta ka pa sa office o di kaya kailangan mo pang tumawag? Well, let me introduce to you TapTapSend. TapTapSend is all in the app, napakadali lang and wala ng fees. Yes, you heard me right. Wala ka nang babayaran pa. At mataas pa palitan. So, ang kagandahan niyan, pag ginamit niyo pa ang aming code, which is Pinoy UK, you get an extra 15 pounds on your first padala. Yes, you heard it right. 15 pounds, which is over 1,000 pesos na libre. Basta gamitin niyo lang ang aming code na Pinoy UK on your first padala with TapTapSend. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-tap-tap ka na. Always remember, Manong knows.
Manong knows best, put your worries to rest when staying in the United Kingdom.